So today I'll be doing a really special makeup tutorial because I'll be collaborating with Excel to create this cute to sexy makeup look. So both the makeup look are super easy to create because all you need is the Excel Skinny Rich Shadow, and they actually have quite a number of shades in the series, but today we'll just be using one shade. This is the SR01 that I'm using now, and I have to say I really enjoy using this Excel eyeshadow palette because it is very easy to use, so anybody can create a really nice gradient look using just one palette. It is very versatile as well. You can create a very cute look, a very subtle everyday look, and a very night out look. And also the pigmentation on this is amazing as well. It is highly pigmented, as you can tell on my eyes right now. And there are also these gold particles inside the eyeshadow, which I really love. It makes the eyeshadow look super luxurious. In this tutorial, I'll be featuring other Excel products as well, including the Excel Lip Suit. So watch on to find out how I transition a cute makeup look to a sexy makeup look, all using Excel products. So let's go!
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
So that is all for both of my makeup tutorial. I hope you like it as always. If you need any extra information, you can check out my description box below, or you can leave me a question at the comments section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon.